Bitcoin Cash is as of now at the #20 position in the digital money market. It had an ATH of $4,355.62 on Deck 2017, while the ongoing cost is just $230.74, somewhere around 94.56% from its ATH. Has the BCH token lost its appeal? Will BCH crypto recuperate from now on? Figure out replies to every one of these and other applicable questions in our Bitcoin Cash value forecast and significantly more. What is Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash's introduction to the world was represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the colossal capability of Bitcoin could be additionally tackled ideally through a hard fork, subsequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. The essential target of Bitcoin Cash BCH was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange charges and debates encompassing adaptability in the blockchain. Keeping in context distributed exchanges as the centralized server and security as the critical purposes, this BCH was ready to work with the expansion in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, consequently accomplishing a dramatically rapid of exchange process. Bitcoin Cash depends on cryptographic techniques that depend on zero divulgence proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any authentic information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Thus, security deterrents are captured first. A notable trait of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. When BCH made its presence felt and unmistakable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to finance English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the computerized bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. Bitcoin Cash Specialized Examination. The value history of Bitcoin Cash, thinking back, has not been offering to too much. It has stayed unpredictable and emphatically connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, Bitcoin Cash had a worth of more than $4,000. It looks astounding that the coin began losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astonishing level radically. Since mid-2018, the BCH cost confronted progressive remedy, and toward the finish of 2018, it fell beneath $100. Then, at that point, till 2020, Bitcoin had figured out how to enroll range-bound exchanging from $167 to $480. From that point forward, from the very start of 2021, the cost of the BCH coin has soared and reached $1,549. Afterward, it confronted a sharp fall and retested $100 once more. Since last year, Bitcoin Cash has figured out how to remain over the $96 mark, with a solid obstruction of around $300 to date. Notwithstanding, the ongoing cost activity mirrors the likelihood that the BCH coin cost could recuperate soon. Bitcoin Cash dividing 2024. The block dividing occasions that happen like clockwork, or 210,000 blocks, are presently set to occur in the main quarter of 2024 for Bitcoin Cash. The ongoing prize for a block is 625 BCH, while the following block award will boil down to 125 BCH. Dealers and financial backers have their eyes on the forthcoming BCH splitting since it could altogether affect the cost of BCH. The first dividing was not beneficial in that frame of mind while of Bitcoin Cash cost, as it had fallen radically not long after the splitting. Notwithstanding, market opinions and current cost activity appear to be bullish for BCH crypto. Being perhaps of the most seasoned player in the digital money market and showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto world experts who solidly accept that Bitcoin Cash, upheld by a basic strong algorithmic science and a reliable past presentation, can be wise speculation counsel yet provided that contributed brilliantly with the right cost check. Bitcoin Cash estimate is by all accounts showing negative feeling. It might frustrate its financial backers cruising scarcely at $169.11 as least cost toward 2024 of every 1 year's end. As indicated by the Bitcoin Cash cost expectations, bulls might be back. The money ought to wind up around $319 toward the finish of 2024. In view of our Bitcoin Cash cost figure, it is a terrible long-haul speculation. Your speculation might be cheapened from here on out. Before the year's over, the BCH cost could tumble to $63.93. Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to begin 2024 at $148.52 and finish the year at $262,608 as indicated by our BCH expectations. During the whole year, the normal Guaj BCH cost might be final $187,987. The digital money market is profoundly unstable, and significant value changes can occur inside the space of minutes because of elements like guideline, contest, the rise of new tech, market feelings, and so forth. There are few expectations given by crypto brokerslovers and even crypto-determining sites. Bitcoin Cash's cost today is exchanging around $230.18, with a flowing inventory of 19.5 and 23.9969 BCH while composing. The market capitalization shows a strong $493,878,991. Despite the fact that the cryptographic money has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back into the game, as deduced by specialists. Bitcoin Cash needed to put forth an enormous attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent digital currencies. It isn't well before it would beat. The majority of the contenders of BCH, as well, didn't entrance the brokers by the same token. BCH Value Expectation 2024. For the year 2024, the normal most extreme worth is $391.83, with a base worth of $207.16 in view of our BCH cost expectation. In examination, the typical exchanging cost is supposed to be $299.49 for Bitcoin Cash tokens. Your ongoing speculation might ascend by over 100%. The progressions in the blockchain may prompt this critical ascent in BCH cost. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2025. As per our BCH crypto cost forecast, the coin will see an ascent of around 40% in the whole year. It will exchange from the expected low of $384.02 to the most extreme degree of $586.58. During the whole year, the coin will have a typical exchanging cost of $485. BCH Coin Value Expectation 2026. In light of our own exploration and Bitcoin Cash cost gauge, the greatest BCH cost for the year 2026 is $749.21. Simultaneously, our BCH expectations figure that the token might have a base cost of around $490.49 and a typical cost of $619.85. Bitcoin Cash Estimate 2027. As indicated by Bitcoin Cash expectations, the token is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $626.08 and $956.32 individually. Simultaneously, the typical Bitcoin Cash cost of the crypto might be around $791 all year long. BCH Value Expectation 2028. Our BCH cost figure for the year 2028 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be $1.6, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $796.25 and $1,216.25 separately. Simultaneously, our specialized examination uncovers that the rate change might be half. Bitcoin Cash Expectations 2029. Taking a gander at the BCH